Basically, this that session was session. So this is a separate room. We have other classes in parallel. So yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Time we discuss about the surds and we understand which expression, which number is known as a surd, in which we have an irrational number with the root. And today we
Yeah.
have to understand the concept about how we can operate with the surds. I just explained a little bit about the addition and subtraction and like terms in surds. So we can solve these things like this. The answer for this one will be 8 root 7, right? Can you please solve
Yeah.
one for me, the last part on your notebook and just let me know what the answer is.
Okay. So the answer is 5 root 3. I mean, no, no. It's 3 root 3 plus 2 root 7.
Yeah, that's true. 3 root 3 plus 2 root 7. Yeah, that's it. Okay, how we can solve the multiplication? It's very easy. Let me solve the first one and then you have to solve the next one. When we have the root on the both terms and they are in multiplication, so we can combine their root. Like it can be written as 10 times 7. But if 7, let's suppose there was no root on 7, so then we cannot multiply 7 with 10. Got it? They can be multiplied if
Yeah.
they have a root, if both they have roots. So yeah, then it will be 70. So this one will be our answer. Got it? Can
Yeah.
can you please tell me what will the answer for F part?
F.
Yeah,
Um, root 22.
root 22. Yes, it is. And what about I part? In this one, we need to divide it.
It'll
It
be
seems like multiplication.
it'll be 3.
Root 3. Wouldn't be root 3.
Yeah.
Let me open the answer sheet as well. So this is 6i, 640. Seven. Okay, it's obvious this one will be its answer. Let's move on to the next one. 6i. GH and I. And we are solving question number 3. Question number 4. It's I part. Question number 4. And it's I part. You can see here. Square root of 3. Okay. Let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to solve this one.
Um, square root 7.
Yes. So its answer will be, what will be the final answer then? Root 7?
Uh, yeah, root 7.
Yes, it is. You can see here. We solved the, I think, K part, no, O part, and O question number 4. Oh, yeah, you can see. That's the right answer. And I am just downloading your book. So we will do the stuff then from your book. Next, we have further questions like this. The question number 3 and 4 was easy. Let's solve a little bit difficult question. Just wait a minute. Here it is. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, what's the idea how we can solve this question? Question number 5 and its side part. Try to solve it. On your notebook,
Okay.
I'm also going to solve it here on the board. If you need any help, you can check my solution. Will be 10, 19. Inform me when you're done.
Yeah.
And also inform me if you need any help in it.
I got minus 19 times 2 square root 2 over 56.
You made the mistake at the end. This one is its answer. Even there is no need to simplify it, but if you did the simplification, it's also correct. Like I did here, you can see. Look, this is the answer in the answer sheet. This is the answer. Okay, but I solved it further. What I did here, I just wrote this root 8 as a 2 root 2. Then I cancel out this 2 with 56. Don't you think if you are simplifying it, so it will be 19 times root 2 divided by or over 28. Got it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I think there is no need to solve any other question because you perform well in it. If you have any confusion, just ask. I will explain. Or you want to practice one more question of this category?
I think one more question.
Okay, let's solve the H part then.
Okay.
you need any help, just let me know. I will explain. And also
Yeah.
if you're done with it, so also inform me in that case.
Yeah. I got 15 plus square root 3 over 3.
Yeah, that's the right answer. Can we simplify it further?
Uh, I don't think so.
Okay, I solved it here as well. Yeah, this is the answer, but we can simplify it further. Here you can check it out. You solved up to this point. Up to this point, it's correct. We can separate the denominator because I checked the answer. In the answer, we don't have that answer. So that's why I simplified further. I noticed that we can separate the denominator and then we can cancel out 15 with 3. So it will be reduced to 5. Is this make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then let's move on to the next one. Okay, next we have question number 6. Note, for example, that 2 root 3, this one is this. Okay. So here you can check out this example and then we have to solve the question. Example 6. If we have this case, so then like you can say the number without the root will can be multiplied. 2 times 5 will be 10 and the root's number will be multiplied with itself. Not with itself, like root's number will be multiplied with each other. So 2 will be multiplied with 3 or 3 multiplied by 2. So it will become 6 and it will stay in the root. And the numbers outside the root will be multiplied and they will stay outside the root. Got it? We cannot multiply 10 this inside this root. So
Yeah.
same thing we have here. We already almost know about it. So what will the answer of this one? Can you please tell me?
It'll be 10 square root 18. 10 square root 18.
Yeah, that's right. Can we simplify it further?
Uh,
I think this one will be not its answer. Let me check. Might be this one will be its answer. Question number 6. Question number 6, and it's which part? D part. Question number 6, and it's D part. Yeah, that's the answer. But if you are asking from me, so yeah, we can simplify it. How? I can write this one as a 30 root 2. How? You can clearly see that 18 can be written as 9 times 2. Oh, I knew that. Basically, I just did its factorization. Last time I told you about the factorization. So we need to check out the division at 2. If it is divisible by 2, just go ahead and divide it. So the answer will be 9 and then again check out the divisible by 2. But 9 is not divisible by 2. So then let's check out at 3. Yes, it is. So 3 times 3. So 18 can be written as 10 I'm writing as it is. 18 I'm just changing its format 2 times 3 times 3. Right? So the 3
yeah.
this square will be taken as outside the square root. So yes, so 10 times 3 will be 30, 30 root 2. So I did it directly here. I hope now you understand it. Do you?
Yeah. Yes, I
Okay,
do.
no. Okay, let's solve the h part and try to solve it. If you face any difficulty, then I will explain. We are doing
Okay.
the operations with surds, okay? And I'm
Okay.
trying to find out your book. I'm almost there. I'm downloading it, but still it's taking time.
I got 0.5 square root 2.
0.5 square root 2. Yeah, that's right answer. But instead of writing in decimal form, try to write that thing in the fraction form, like so you can write um, root 2 in the numerator, right? It was 6, was like this. 14 can be written as square root 7 and square root 2. Or you can say that, yeah, if we are writing in combined form, it's not visible to you. Okay, no, it will be visible. 614 divided by 12 root 7, right? So if we'll simplify this one, it will be reduced to 1 over 2. And what about these things?
It'll be 2, square root 2.
Yeah, it will be like we can combine their root. So 14 over 7. So then 1 over 2, root 2 is left over there. So you can say square root of 2 over 2. This is the answer. Let's check it out. So which question is this was? Question number 6 and H. Question 6 and it's H. You can see this is the answer. Okay. Instead of writing in decimal form, try to write your answer in the bracket, sorry, in fraction form. Okay, next we have expansion
Yeah.
of the bracket. I hope you already know about it, how we can expand the brackets. This 5 will be times with this value and it will also be times with, it will be times the thing that we have outside the bracket. It will be times with all the terms inside the bracket. Firstly, we need to times in
Yeah.
brackets first and then second. Okay, let's do it. Can you please tell me what will be the answer? It's a one-liner question, I think.
Um, Square root of 5 times square root of 7 will be square root 35 minus um minus square root 25 minus 2 square root 25.
Yeah, that's right. And we can say, if I want to simplify it further, I knew very well 25 is a perfect square, so it can be written as 2 times 5, am I right? So it can be written as 35 root 35 minus 10. So yeah, this one will be its answer. Let's see, they solved it further or not. Yeah, they simplify it. So this is the answer.
Yeah.
Is this make sense? Okay, so you understand it. Let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Just wait a minute. Okay, here question number 8, you can see in question number 8, if we have two things multiplied in a single square root, we can separate, like 18. I already told you this thing. So we can write 18 like this. You already know about it, right? So can you
Yeah.
please simplify this 72 into its simplest form?
Okay.
Root 72.
The answer is 6 square root 2.
6 square root. Oh, okay. Yes, that's the right answer. That's the right answer. Okay. So can we solve these things? Um, Question number 9, and it's H bar. Try to solve it. It looks like we cannot solve. Why? The reason is that because this is a different thing and this one is a different. Oh, sorry, the color of the pen was white. Okay, this is a different. So these are not like terms. It looks like, but these are. If I will simplify this root 12, so it will be written as 2 root 3. Why it will be? Because of 12 can be written as 4 times 3. So 4 times 3, just write the number in the multiple, or you just have to do the factorization. If you will do factorization of 12, so it will be like this: 2, 6, and then again 2, 3. So 3, 1. So this 2 will be taken outside the root because it occurs 2 times. So yeah, it will be like this then. Then you can clearly see these are like terms. So it is 12 root 3 minus 8 root 3. So it will be equal to 4 root 3. Isaac, is this make sense?
Yeah, it does. So you have to simplify it first and then.
Yeah. Okay, now try to solve this one. G part.
Yeah.
And let me know what the answer is. Inform me when you're done, Isaac.
Yeah. I'm just struggling with 45, but I
Okay.
think I got
You can factorize it, so it will be easy then.
yeah. Yeah, I'm a bit confused on G.
Okay. Okay, it's easy. Okay, let me show you what we need to do. Firstly, we need to do factorization for 45. So I can clearly see that it's not visible by 2 because it's we knew the tricks. If the last digit is from 0 to 468, so then it is divisible by 2. So its last digit is 5. So that's why it's not divisible by 2. Let's check it out. 3. Is this divisible by 3? Yes, it is. It is in the multiple of 3. So yeah, if I will divide 45 with 3, so I will get 15. Then again, is this divisible by 3? Yes, it is. So the answer 5. Then so it's mean that if we have a square root of 45, I'm doing it roughly. If I want to do this one properly, let me do on the board. So here we have. Just wait a minute, please. Just give me one.
Yep.
I already know that 3 will be written as it is. Here we have a root 45. Root 45 can be written as 3 times 5. I'm writing the 45, but in other format, minus 7 root 5. Got it? And then we have 3. This 3 will be like 1 3 will be taken outside the root. So 5 minus 7 root 5. Then we can say that 9 root 5 minus 7 root 5. So yeah, after that we can say these are like terms, right? So we can simplify. These are like terms, root 5 root 5. So it will be 2 root 5. Is this make sense, Isaac?
Yeah, it's not making sense. I didn't do the
Factorization.
simplify. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Basically, without simplification, these questions are not possible. Okay, no, you can try F1.
Yeah.
Inform me when you're done.
Yeah. I got 5 square root 3.
Yeah, that's the right answer. I think now you got it. Let's move on to the next type of questions. Mm,
Yeah.
Next, we have question number 10, in which we have to do binomial products. I hope you know about this expansion as well. Like in simple, when there was like
Yeah.
variables, you know, it's same like we have to deal with the surds. Mhm. Okay, we have 2 to 3 categories in this question. Let's solve each question. Sorry, one question from each category. Question number 10, and it's A or B. Let's solve A part.
Okay.
Try to solve it on your notebook quickly. And I'm also going to solve it here on the board. If you need any help, you can
Okay.
take it.
That
Let's verify the answer. So yeah, I'm getting the same answer. What about you?
I got 2 plus square root 10 plus square root 6 plus square root 15.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the right answer. Okay, question number 10. Its B part is the same. So let's skip this one. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 10, and C, D, E, F, G, H. I think these are all same. You can try G, because in this one we can implement a different kind of formula, which is named as a difference of square number. Are you familiar with the difference of square number? The
A
identity which
little bit.
Mhm. I'm pretty sure you are, but might be you didn't hear this terminology before. So the formula is like this: a square minus b square. If we have a this difference between square numbers, it can be written as once in addition and once in subtraction. So we can do opposite as well. Like if two things in the product, once they are in addition, once they are in subtraction, so we can implement the square on them, on both of them, and then put the difference between them. So here we have the same terminology. You can see this is a plus b. This is also a. You can see 3 into root 2, 3 into root 2 plus b, here minus b. So we can implement this identity directly instead of multiplying. You can also do multiplication like this. Firstly, it will be multiplied with these two, and this one will multiply with this one and this one. You can do, that's lengthy procedure, but I will prefer to do implement the difference of square numbers, the identity, which states that you just need to take the square of the first term minus square of the second term. If you want to do by using another technique like lengthy procedure, so you can, but it will be waste of time, like not waste of time, like it will consume more time. In the exam, we have to save our time, so that's why I will prefer to do use identity here.
Yeah.
Okay, try to solve it and find out its answer.
Okay.
And if you need any help, just let me know. I will explain it to you. Inform me when you're done.
Yeah. I got 18 square root 2 minus 6 square root 6.
But the answer is 15.
15.
Yeah. Question number 10, G part. Here you can see.
How did,
Question 10.
how, how did you get 15?
Okay. I implement this formula, but if you are implementing the second, you are using the second way. So let me explain by using that method. Definitely you made the mistake. So you can double check your solution.
Yeah.
And I'm going to solve this question by using this first method, or you can say second method. Did you find out your mistake,
Um,
or you are checking just my solution?
I think I made a mistake where, like, when I times the twos, I did
Okay, look here. This is
square
our statement.
root.
This is our statement, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
And then what I did, I picked this thing and multiply with it. You can see here I'm just writing, I will multiply in the next step. Then this one will also be multiply with this root 3. And its sign will also be changed. Why? Because look, this was of positive, there is no sign with it, so it will be considered as a positive. And this one was negative, so positive times negative will be negative. So yeah, so here it will be 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 3, then plus, now it's time to multiply this root 3 with all these two terms. Root 3 will be times with this one minus, why minus? Positive times negative will be negative. Root 3 times root 3, so it will be, now here I'm just writing, I will multiply in the next step. Okay, now I'm going to multiply. So 3 times 3, the number with out root will be multiplied with each other, and the numbers which we have in the root will be multiplied with each other. So it will be square root of 4, and then you can simplify it further in next step. Did you understand this one?
Yeah. That's why I got it wrong.
Okay, so this one will become 3. Look, 3 cannot be multiplied with this 3 because this 3 is in the root, this 2 is in the root, this 3 cannot be multiplied with anything, so it will be written as it is. This root 2 and root 3 will be multiplied, so we will get root 6, and its sign is negative. This one is plus, and same thing here. This root 3 and root 2 will be multiplied with each other. This 3 will be multiplied with 1 if there is nothing, so you can consider 1. 3 times 1 will be 3, and root 3 root 2 root 3 times root 2 will be root 6, and this one will become, you can see you can write this one as a root 9. Got it? And after that what will happen? We just have to simplify it further. You have to identify the perfect squares. Here we have, look, 4 is a perfect square, so its root will be 2, and this one is already cancel out. Why? Because we have the same values, but one is in positive, one is in negative. Like if I'm saying that you have a negative 10 plus 10, what will be the answer? Its answer will be 0. They will be cancelled out, they will cancel out each other, right? So same thing we have here, we have the same things but in with opposite signs, so they cancel out each other, and this one will be reduced to negative 3. Why negative 3? Because root 9 is 3. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to practice one more question of this kind, so you can solve each part, but here I will prefer to use this identity, man. I think you didn't understand, let me explain this one again. It's easy, it saves our times. Definitely calculation is also reduced, so when we have a less calculation in a question, so we have a less chance of getting error, getting mistake. So the thing is that if we have two terms, you can see these are the two terms, 3 root 2 and root 3. Even in this one we have these two, 3 root 2 root 3. So if we have a plus b, a minus b, we have the same terms once they are in addition, once they are in subtraction. So those can be written like this form, and this identity is known as a difference of square number. Difference of square number. Basically,
Square.
this is the simplest form. They how they get this form? It's very clear. When you multiply a with a, so what will be its answer? A square. A will be multiplied with b, but it will be negative ab because a is of positive, b is of negative. So positive a, negative b. What will be the answer? Negative ab. Now we need to multiply this
Yeah.
one. What it will be? It will be plus ab, and then b will
Yeah.
be multiplied with this one, so it will be negative b square. So it reduce our calculation. Look, this one will definitely always be cancelled out. Only a square minus b square will left further. So they reduce our this step. So if we have opportunity, so why not we have to avail it? So if we have the same two terms, once they are in addition and once they are in subtraction, so just implement this identity. What it is? You can see this and this same. This one and this one is same. Once there is between addition and once we have subtraction. So yeah, we have to implement the identity. What it is? Take the square of the first term minus square of the second term. This is the first term minus this is the second term. So this square will be implemented on 3. So it will be 3 square, what it will be? We know very well. What's the square of 3? It's 9. 3 times 3. and square root of
Yeah.
square of this value will be square, and square root will be cancelled. Basically, this square will be implemented on all the terms. It will be implemented on 3, it will be implemented on square root 2. As it will be implemented on 3, so it will become 9. Square root of 2 square will become 2. And this one will also be reduced to 3. And then 9 times 2 will be 18. 18 minus 3. So this is the short way. So try to implement the first method that I explained in each part.
Yeah.
Just wait
Okay.
a minute. Let me arrange this one. Here it is. The question number 10, and it's H part. For me when you're done, okay?
Yeah. I got two 261.
261? No,
Yeah.
that's not the answer. Um,
Can you,
okay.
can you explain the A plus B? Because I'm confused where, like, how I'm supposed to.
Is this make sense? If still it's not make any sense, just let me know. I will explain in detail then.
Oh, I think I did my math wrong. I did I oh what I did was I did 128 times 2 instead of 64 times 2.
Oh,
I wasn't thinking. So 128 times 2. I mean 64 times 2 is 128.
yeah.
Then what? So and also what I got wrong is
Okay.
I put a plus in front of the square root 5 instead of a minus.
Okay. Okay. Then let's move on to the next one. Um, just wait a minute. Here it is. Okay. Last four questions. Four are similar. So we will practice firstly I and J part. Okay. So what's the idea? How we can solve the I part? Even here you can implement the identity. Can you please tell me that identity if you are familiar
A
with it?
plus A plus B brackets A squared minus or equals A squared plus B squared.
Don't we have a 2ab? Yeah, we can write a square plus b square and 2ab at the end, but we must have to include 2ab. Okay, we can also write like this: a
Yeah.
square plus b square, and we have another term 2ab. Yeah. Okay, now implement this one. If you want to if you want to solve like this, so you can, it's your choice. The square means we have to times it by itself, so just times it by itself. You can implement that, but I will prefer to use the identity, the same debate.
Yeah.
It will save our time. It will, yeah, we will have to do less calculation, so there will be less chance of getting error.
I'm done.
Okay, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, I am.
Okay, that's great. Here you can see this is the answer, and this is for 123 is for the last one. Okay, let's move on to the J part. I think it's, there is no need to solve it. What you say? In this one we have a minus, and if we have a minus b, so in that case just change this sign. Okay, so we can
Yeah.
practice this kind of question, but little bit hard, which is its last part. Here it is. Try to solve its k part, not the last one, k part.
I got 4 square root 3 plus 1.
Let me check. Can you please say it again? What's the answer you are getting?
4 square root 3 plus 1.
No, that's not the right answer, man. Okay, you can see I did the calculation. Let me know if this makes sense.
Oh, okay.
A
Understood.
square
Okay.
means square of first term minus 2 times first term multiplied by second term plus square of second term. So this is identity. What is identity? You can check out the identity from here. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it's your choice if you want to implement this one. Both are the same. But once we have to take the
Yeah.
square of first term, once we have to take the square of second term, first square of first term, square of second term, and if there is minus, so minus 2ab, ab means multiplication of first term and second term. If there is a plus, so
Yeah.
plus 2ab. Yeah, that's all. And then you need to simplify it. So this square will be implemented on 2, it will become 4. As this square will be implemented on root 3, so root and square will be cancelled out, 3 will left over there. 4 times 3 will become 12. 12 plus 1 will become 13. So yeah, just forget to write 1 here. 12 plus 1 will be 13. Yeah, that's the answer. Okay, you can practice this question at home, and I will send you the homework as well. So you on WhatsApp, okay?
Yeah.
So you have to do that one,
Yeah.
and
Thank you.
we are done with the surds. This was the last topic. Okay, in next class we will
Yeah.
continue. We will start the next topic. Might be we'll start compound interest and simple interest. Okay, or I will check it.
Yeah.
Download your book. I already found, but I didn't download it yet. So from next class we will follow your book. Okay, then see you later in the next class. Take care. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Hello,
Hello, Alima. How are you?
I'm good.